main riff starts off on the 8th fret of the B string, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we're going to go to the 7th fret on the B string, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Back to the 8th fret on the B string for 2 full bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So. We're then going to move to 5th fret on the G, 5, 7, slide up to 9, 5, 7, 7, sliding up to 9, back to 7 on the D string, and down to 5. We'll then play 3 on the B, 5 on the G, 3, sliding up to 5 on the B, and then up to 5 on the G string. The whole thing so far, 5, 7, 7, slide up to 9, 7, 5 on the D, 3, 5, slide, 5, then we'll play 7 on the B, 5 on the G, 5 on the B, G, and then 7 on the D. So 7 on the B, 5 on the G, B, G, D, and the 7. Then we've got a kind of similar riff again, 3 on the B, 5 on the G, 3 sliding to 5 on the B, up to 5 on the G, and then 7, 5 on the B. Okay, so the whole thing slowly. Then we'll play open G and 1st fret on the B, 2 and 1, and then 2 and 1, sliding up 2 to 4 on the G. So open, 2nd, slide, back to 2 and 1, same again. And then we go to a G power chord, 10th fret on the A, 12th fret on the D, 12th fret on the G, and we've got palm muted, all down strums, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for 4 full bars. Okay, so the whole intro there, 8, 7, 8, go to the G, 5, 7, slide, 7, 5, B, 3, 5, slide, 5, 7, 5, 3, 5, slide, 5, 7, 5, open and 1, 2, slide, 2 and 1, open, 2 and 1, slide, 2 and 1, and then the palm muted G power chord. For the chords in this song, we have a G chord to start off with. We're actually just going to play 5 on the A string with the 3rd finger, 5 on the D with the pinky, 4 on the G with the 2nd finger, and 3 on the B with the 1st finger. And we're strumming all down in 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we go to an E minor 7 chord. We've got 1st finger here with a bar across the 7th fret on the A, D, G and B strings. And we've also got 3rd finger on the 9th fret of the D string, 2nd finger on the 8th fret of the B string, and again we're just strumming A, D, G and B, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then to a standard A minor chord for 2 full bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And to a C over G, which is the same as a C chord with that 3rd finger move up to the low E string at the 3rd fret and the pinky on the 3rd fret at the A, and we've got this for 2 full bars as well. Before we move to a D power bar chord, it's the 1st finger on the 5th fret of the A, and then a 3rd finger bar on the 7th fret of the D, G and B strings. And this time we play this for 4 full bars and down in 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2nd bar, 3rd bar, 4th bar. Then we'll move this down 2 frets to a C bar chord for 2 full bars. Then we're just going to remove the 1st finger and have open 5, 5, 5. This is like an A minor 7 chord, and we'll play 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for 2 bars before we go to that G power chord for 4 bars. So that whole chord progression is that G chord with the D in the bass for 1 bar, E minor 7 for 1 bar, A minor for 2 bars, C over G for 2 bars, D for 4 bars, down to that C chord for 2 bars, first finger comes off for an A minor 7 for 2 bars, and then to that power chord that we go to quite a lot in this song, this G power chord for 4 bars. The second time through, the verse is exactly the same. We just don't go to that G power chord. We stay on that A minor 7 chord for 4 bars. So we have the G over B, going to E minor 7, A minor for 2 bars, C over G, C over G, D, 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 and then C, C, A minor 7, A minor 7, A minor 7, and A minor 7 before we go through the next part of the song. There's 2 parts in the pre-chorus as well. The first guitar part is playing 5 and 5 on the A and D strings, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and for 2 4 bars. Then go to 7 on the A, 5 on the D. Again for 2 full bars before we go to 2 on the A, 5 on the D. 2 full bars before going to open A and 5th fret on the D for 2 more bars. So that sounds like this. The second guitar part in this part is just playing a 3rd finger bar. You can play any finger actually on the 12th fret of the D, G and B, and all down in 8th notes for the whole thing. After the pre-chorus, there's a little riff on the D string and the A string as well. It goes 9, 12, 9, 10, 9 on the D. And then we're going to go 10 on the A, 9 on the D, 10, 12, 10 on the A. Last time, we go 10, 9, 10, 9, and stop there. So the whole thing sounds like this.